Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 9 micrograms to milligrams. Are you looking to convert 9 micrograms to milligrams but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's review the conversion factor. 1 milligram is equal to 1,000 micrograms. To convert micrograms to milligrams, all you need to do is divide the number of micrograms by 1,000. Let's walk through an example. Say you have 9 micrograms of a medication that you need to convert to milligrams. We start by dividing 9 by 1,000. This gives us approximately 0.009 milligrams, and that's it, we're done. 9 micrograms is equal to approximately 0.009 milligrams. But wait, what if you need to convert 9 milligrams of a supplement to micrograms? Don't worry, we've got you covered. To convert milligrams to micrograms, you need to multiply the number of milligrams by 1,000. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 9 milligrams of a supplement to micrograms. We start by multiplying 9 by 1,000. This gives us 9,000 micrograms. And that's it. 9 milligrams is equal to 9,000 micrograms. And there you have it. Converting 9 micrograms to milligrams is simple once you know the conversion factor. With a little practice, you'll be converting between micrograms and milligrams in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more conversion guides and math tips, make sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.